watch part 1, go watch it right now. Pause this, go watch it, and then come back. But for those of you who didn't watch it, we started the renovation on the room, had 15 different options of trying to build this wall in the front room. Gave us so many issues, so many problems, so that is where we left you off. So after all the deliberation, all the talking, all the trying to figure out what exactly we're going to do, all the trial and error, 15 different things, this is the concept we finally decided on. Pretty much just a straight frame. It's going to angle in here just a bit. We're going to secure it to this and then throw the countertop on. So hopefully this is the final one. Slap some MDF board on this, paint it, and hopefully we're good.
Okay.
Good?
Yeah, you've been good.
You gotta say action.
Action.
Cut. So, for the cubby holes, what we decided, after coming to the long decision of putting the cubby holes over here, that away so they don't slide back into this space, just take some MDF board, paint it black, and we are going to tack it onto the back of there, just like that.
You okay?
I'm ready. You grab me a paper towel?
Yeah.
What do you think?
It looks great. I'm just ready for it to be done. All right, so Tony is gonna be attempting this feat. We have this tiny little space he's gotta get behind. It's like 2 footprints wide, and he's gotta come back here, put the, what is it called? Insulation, and
secure the framing.
Secure the framing in. And I'm gonna try to get a picture of that, but you can see the framing from the back. It looks so good. So yeah, it's gonna be a tight squeeze. I think he's gonna manage it. I can hand you everything.
Yeah. I hope I don't break the framing.
Gonna be able to get your fat booty through there. You got it? Keep going.
And a baby is born into life.
Oh, yuck. Okay, you go.
All right, we're up. Hey. Don't say I've never done anything for you.
I never do. All right, what you need?
Everything. Please don't break. Please don't break. My leg's caught in here on the wire. My baby.
Made it.
Never again. Guaranteed I forgot something. I'll have to go back in there.
Hopefully not.
It's lost forever. Let's see.
Well, that looks nice.
Well, there it is.
Now get to work. So excited to have the wall done. That was a process, and it was definitely, we argued, we did not agree, and we had a lot of mishaps, honestly. But we're coming to like my favorite part of the project, and I daydreamed about doing this. I had bought the supplies. I had kind of come up with the design for this faux tin roof, and obviously we couldn't afford, as far as weight was concerned, to put in metal. So I thought, man, let's do wallpaper and lattice, and let's make it look like a tin roof. And you'll get to see how that turned out in this next one.
No issues, no problems, which was amazing. It was very welcome to just have one project, seems like the first one so far, just be completely smooth. No wrong cuts, no wrong measurements, no holes in the roof or anything like that. So it was awesome just to get that up and to move on to the next thing, which were a bunch of kind of just finishing touches, a bunch of trim, we were doing some stuff to the bump out, a bunch of finishings that we just needed to put on to just make the space look complete.
beautiful idea where I wanted Tony to build what I think it's a Scandinavian closet.
Yes.
It's kind of like an exposed closet. And I really love the idea of not having like a closed off space where you can still move around. If we needed to push the clothes to the side, we could do that so two of us could fit through the hallway of our bedroom, but I wanted an open closet. And of course, Tony was so excited to do another project. He was like, yes, let's go, let's do this.
Yeah.
So
Those are my exact words.
I know, right? So we decided, and by we I mean I, decided to go ahead and do a closet. And originally we were going to do piping. We had a lot of different ideas, but we just came to realize that the piping was going to be expensive, it was going to be heavy, and wouldn't necessarily 100% fit what we were hoping for. So we decided to go with wood. A lot more easy to work with, a lot easier to work with, and it went up beautifully. So as you can see in the video, it wasn't easy, but it was probably one of the easiest projects that we did in the room in comparison, and we're super excited with how it turned out. It actually turned out really beautiful, and we really love the way it looks. Make sure you screw that good.
Now I gotta work on my screw game. Screw game's not the best. And there you go.
Does it look sturdy? Yeah?
I'll do chin ups.
No.
What do you think of your rustic outdoor clothes hanger?
This is not what this is at all. I like it. I think it's nice. It's made specifically for this space and it looks really good. Yeah, I like it. It's really nice. Got a little bit to do before it's done, but I like it. It looks good. You did good, bud. You did good.
So now it is the moment that I don't even care about you guys. It's the moment that I've been waiting for. It's the moment we've been waiting for. It's finally done.
No, we do care about you guys.
Just a little bit. It's the moment we've been waiting for so long. Another space is finally done. We're getting so close to having this space complete, this entire RV completely done. 3 of the 5 projects are checked off now. So we really hope you enjoy the space.
So today we are going to be decorating the room that we just renovated. We're really excited to put all the pieces together. Harper is actually going to be helping me today, and so she's really excited to be a part of it. So here we go. have like our space done where we can go get away from everything.
Kids.
And also it's just so nice to have one more space that's like organized and everything's put away. And Tony did such a good job. He really nailed it.
We did. Our team.
And it looks so good. And we're really excited with it. And we would love to see what you have to say. So if you have any questions, if you have any comments, please put them in the comments below. We would love to hear what you guys have to say. We're super excited to have you guys along this journey. Honestly, you know, we talk about this on the Instagram page a little bit more, but we are just so thankful for all the likes and the comments and the follows and just having you guys be a part of our journey. And obviously wouldn't really be a community without that. So, you know, we're here for you guys if you have any questions. If you guys have a page, an Instagram page, a YouTube channel, let us know. We'd love to cheer you on too. And yeah, we're super excited to have you along for the journey. We hope you loved this video. And if you did, let us know. And we'll see you guys in the next video, hopefully very soon.